Universiti Muhammadiyah Malaysia, UMAM. The spread of da'wah through education with a series of educational endeavors is a mission the Muhammadiyah Association continues to carry out. To date, Muhammadiyah has been devoting its commitment and consistency in spreading da'wah through various fields, with concrete evidence of its implementation in the establishment of tens of thousands of enterprises, including hundreds of universities, which are true witnesses of the work of the association for the community, nation, and universal humanity. With its commitment and vision of the internationalization of education, the association presents Universiti Muhammadiyah Malaysia as a landmark of the association's active role in global education. Universiti Muhammadiyah Malaysia was founded in August 2021 in the state of Perlis, Malaysia, a green and picturesque land with expansive beauty and the hospitality of its people, welcoming with open arms. UMAM comes with endorsement from the consortium of Muhammadiyah universities in our homeland and from the local universities including Universiti Malaysia Perlis or UniMAP and College University Islam Perlis or KUIPs, providing strong support to the birth of the first Muhammadiyah university abroad, which began in our kindred country, Malaysia. UMAM currently offers 5 programs of PhD or doctoral studies, namely Education, Business and Management, Social Science, Islamic Studies, and Information Technology, and is supported by personnel who are all qualified doctors from Indonesia and overseas. Universiti Muhammadiyah Malaysia instills Islamic values in the advancement of science by providing quality education and research for the benefit of mankind, with the strategic function of achieving progress and unity between nations to build a mutual civilization, illuminating under the banners of progressive Islam, with the vision of Rahmatan lil Alamin. Join us at Universiti Muhammadiyah Malaysia, devotion to universal humanity and excellence.
Universiti Muhammadiyah Malaysia UMAM is a Muhammadiyah institution dedicated to higher education and advanced research in science and humanities. Malaysia, with high reputation in higher education and international recognition, is thought to foster Universiti Muhammadiyah with a collaborative environment in providing high-quality research and education that can be implemented to communities not only in Southeast Asia regions but also internationally.
Silakan datang ke sini. InsyaAllah kami akan lakukan yang terbaik untuk siapa yang dikirim ke UMAM nanti. InsyaAllah.
Saya percaya jika UMAM ini digerakkan ataupun dibangunkan, berjaya mendapat tempat yang baik di hati umat Islam ataupun hati masyarakat di Asia Tenggara ini, akan menjadikan ia universiti yang sangat berkesan di dalam membawa kesatuan dan pengukuhan kehidupan yang harmoni di Asia Tenggara ini.
UMAP, kami mendoakan agar UMAM akan terus sukses, maju jaya pada masa akan datang dan sekaligus akan memberikan impak yang begitu positif kepada umat Islam di kedua-dua belah pihak.
Kehadiran UMAM ini juga menjadi hub untuk meningkatkan kerjasama pendidikan antara Indonesia dan Malaysia
dan menjadikan kita sebagai satu pusat pendidikan antarabangsa.